How to use TradingView like a pro. So this video will teach you everything you need to know about TradingView. So now these are the topics that you will learn today about TradingView. So now the first thing you have to do is to head to Play Store or App Store. You write TradingView. This is like installing it, and this is how the app looks like. So in my case, like I've already installed it. So now let's enter it. So when you come, you see bunch of these pairs, futures, forex, crypto. So now this is how you create an account. You press this option down here called menu. After tapping in, it will bring for you this exactly. It will bring for you sign in, refer, subscription. But in this case, let's just go with sign in. Then if you have like a Google email, Google, Facebook, X, Apple ID, all this stuff, you can use it. But in my case, I'll use Google email. Then it will bring for you a bunch of emails. You choose what you want. For me, I'll choose this. Yes, I'll choose that. Then now you have to agree and share. Press agree and share. Like this video will show you like everything about TradingView. So now this these are the currency pairs. Now we have successfully created an account. You can see they gave me a name, which is Nyanga Call 17. They gave me the name. So now this is how like you add pairs. Let's first go to how you remove pairs. You hold the pair you don't like, hold it, and you see this option, remove. So you be tapping remove. So like let's remove all of these pairs. I do not want them. But if you are like a future guy, index guy, like a trader of indices, you can leave. But for me, I don't trade indices at all, so I'll just be removing them now. This may take quite a while. Guys, patience pays. Like if you are patient enough to remove them, you like focus. Like the reason why I'm removing them, I want to add a watch list that will, like, I'll only be focusing on. So I do not want Tesla, Netflix. I do not want none of them. So now we shall go to the future part, and I remove it. I remove oil. I remove it. I remove it. Let me leave gold for now because I'm a gold trader too. Then I think like I'll leave these three. Then I let me leave Bitcoin. I'll leave Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of crazy. Like it's really good. So that's how like you remove. That's how you remove pairs. I was saying to add pairs, you need to just come all the way here. You tap this add symbol. Yeah, you just press add symbol. Like now I've tapped it. Now it will bring for me all of this. So if you're a stock trader, you press stocks. Like these are the options that they'll give you. You can now just scroll to the left, right. You can see economic options. Like now stocks, they'll bring for you bunch of different stocks, very many. You can see Google, very many. So you can, if you want to add, just press this, just press that cross sign, then quickly it will appear, then it will appear here. So that's it. But now I don't want, let me go for forex. So now you can be scrolling. If you are funds, future, forex, yeah, you just do the same. You just add. You can just come, you add the pairs you want anyhow. Just add like this. Add. After you adding, you see they all appear here. They all appear. So now if you want to go to the charts, you can press and hold one. Like now in this case, I'll use Euro USD. I'll use USD. You press long it, then this option will come. This big option will come. So what we need just to open it is tap this one. Tap it. After you tapping it, it will load the charts, and this is the charts. This is the chart. So do not just get scared that I'm not understanding anything. Go to my channel. I've been posting videos on price action. Like I've been posting videos, yeah. So just go and watch like gold precision strategy. I've posted it. If you do not know, or if you are curious what's gold precision strategy, go to my YouTube channel and you find it. So now let's go to the next part, which tools to use, or how do I equip tools. So now what you have, there will be this bunch of options which I'll talk about them one by one. But now let's start with this first one. So this first one, you press it, is where you get the tools. Like now, the tools, there's measure, erase, keep all of that. So now, we don't need that much from here. We don't need it. So what we shall go to trend lines. So trend lines these are the tools that trend line traders use. Like if you want for it to appear on your screen, hold it. Then after you pressing it and holding it to bring this option, then you tap it. Like you see now, like it now came on the screen. So we shall be doing to the tools we want, and this tool here, it's used on gold precision strategy. Once again, if you want to know what's gold precision strategy, go and watch it on my YouTube channel. So we shall do the same thing. Press the add to favorite, you press it. So you continue now to the Fibonacci part. If you're a Fibonacci trader, you hold and press. You continue to what you want, like head and shoulders, you press and what. Like now these tools, like if you want them, like for me, I'll give you my best tools too. So here is long and short position. Long, that means that you are buying, short means you are selling. So we shall add them to favorite. They are very useful when you are trading too. So now there's brush, highlight, mark. So we shall not need anything, but we shall need this rectangle. So we shall need it. We go to the next part, text. If you want like to simplify everything, you put it. We go to the next part. So these are the things that most people will need to focus on. And don't forget, there is this horizontal line here. You can add them. So now, like if you want to find your favorites at once, you just come here, you press favorites here, you press favorites up here, you press. And if you do not like any of the tools you added either by mistake or you don't want it no more, go to favorites. Like if you don't like it, go to favorites. Now you come and press the tool you don't like. Like for me, in this case, I will not like this. So press and hold it will bring remove from favorites. Press it. Now you will see quickly it has disappeared from here. Now let's do it again. I've gone to favorites. I don't want this tool here. And it's here. So I'll remove it and it will disappear from here as well as there. So now let me remove it. I'll press, hold it, remove, and boom, and it left from there. So that's how it is. So now let's first go deeper to the time frames. If you want to add time frames, you press this here. You find it constantly in daily time frame, like 1D. It means daily time frame. So you press it will bring for you a lot of them. There's the mini session, it ends this 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 30, and 45. Then there is the 1H, 2H, 3H, and 4H. So if you want to add, like let's add like the 5 minutes, you you hold it and press it. So now it has added to the favorites. Now let's add, you can add any, but for me, like now I'll add like 5 minutes 15, then the rest, like I'll not really need it. But if you use the 15 minutes is well with you, 45 minutes is well with you, but in my case I'll be using 5 minutes 15 minutes, then the 1h in the hour part I'll be taking the the 1h, then the 4h, yeah, I'll be taking those two. Like if you want to remove something like you have put a mistake, you can long press it and it will go like that, just the same. Now in the daily part, if you're a swing trader, or yeah, a swing trader, you can come and add, or like this you can add. But in my case, I don't want these monthly time frames, daily time frames. I do not want them. Like now, it's not like a mouse you be pressing like this, tap like this. It's not like a mouse. They simplified it for us, but you just need to tap here and either swipe it up or down to switch the time frame. Like now I'm in the 1h time frame. Like what this one means, the 1h time frame. By the way, like this red and green candlesticks, they mean candlesticks. So like let's say this candlestick here, this red candlestick represents 1h, like it will be moving for 1h like that. If it's 4 hours, it's the same. One candlestick will be moving for 4 hours. So that's the thing you need to know in the in terms of time frames. So now, like I've finished about the tools. Now let me show you guys the tools that I like. Let's first move everything. Yeah, everything. Like give me a moment to move everything. Then now I take you to the tools that I think will make you profitable, or I know it will make you profitable. Like rule number one on trading, like you need to put it everything simple. So now let's put trend line. I would like this because there's a specific I use it. Then followed by this tool here called parallel channel. It's very good, especially for those who trade the strategy, gold precision strategy. Then the Fibonacci retracement zone, like yeah, I use it as premium and discount. It has its own settings. Like these settings, all this stuff, I'll share it in the second part of this video, not this video. I want to keep it very short. Yeah, like hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying this type of content. So now let's go to the patterns. Honestly, I will not use any pattern. I don't want to use any pattern. So now the following part is long and short positions. Yes, long and short positions. So these are my best. Then there is price range. I'll use this one because it's very easy to calculate pips using it. Very easy. Many people complicate it, but for me I keep it simple. Then there is this tool rectangle. I'll take it. Even the path, I'll take these tools like this. Then let's see others. Nothing. So these are the tools that I use, and I know that they work best. Like let me show you how it really works. Let's start with the trend line. A trend line is like a line. You can see it's just like a line. You can put it horizontal anywhere you like. That's how it is. So a trend line has a different way to be used, as well as a parallel channel is like this. You hold it and you can adjust by moving it upwards or downwards. Yeah, so that's how the channel panel looks. Like the Fibonacci, it looks like this. But trust me guys, if you apply the settings that I'll show in other videos to come, it will not look like this. Because earlier I said keep trading simple, it will not look like this. So now let's go for the long position. The long position is like this. This is how it looks. You can adjust. This is the take profit, the stop loss, yeah, adding size. So that's how it looks. The short position It's pretty the same but the opposite side. So it's like that. Then the price range is to measure the pips like this. So I'll make a video of how you can use this price range to know the pips. Like there is these rectangles like this too. This how it looks, and the path is like this. The path is like this. So now this is it. This is it. Like now let's go to the second part, which of this. This is the indicators part, like indicators. So indicators that you can read here. This all of these, they are nonsense to me. Like for me, I don't use like an indicators, because like I see sometimes like indicators like they delay to give informations. Like, but if you're a beginner, I can encourage you with one indicator, which is the EMA, the moving average, EMA. So this is it. This is the indicator you'll be looking for. So I'll give the you can just press add. You press the star, you have added it, you press on it to come on the chart line. Don't you see, if you pull back like some seconds ago, this blue line wasn't there. So this this indicator has like a specific setting, so I'll share it with it. So now let's go to how you set an alarm. Like an alarm, you just press the screen, you hold it, then you see this cross button, just tap it, then it will bring for you this option here. And by the way, like I've simplified this way. This is the easiest way you can set an alarm. Then after this, these dotted lines that will start coming on the screen. So it's when you know, like when price comes and taps it, TradingView will send you a notification that the price has reached. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Hit the subscribe button and wait for the part 2 of the release. Wait for the part 2 wait for the part 2, yeah. Like you can wait for the part 2 of TradingView. Like they have not completed all of this and their uses. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.